Imagine you have a magical tool that can organize your life, boost your productivity, and turn chaos into order. Intrigued? Well, that tool is called Asana, and it's not just for businesses. Today, we're diving deep into what Asana's free version offers, and whether it's the perfect solution for your personal or professional needs. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Asana is. It's a cloud-based work management platform that helps individuals and teams plan, organize, and track their work. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can create tasks, assign them to people, set deadlines, and collaborate seamlessly. Now, the burning question is, what can you actually do with Asana's free plan? Let's break it down. Key features of free Asana. Task management. Create and manage tasks individually or as part of projects. Set due dates, add descriptions, and assign tasks to yourself or others. Prioritize tasks using labels, tags, and custom fields. Project management. Organize tasks into projects with customizable workflows. Add team members and assign roles. Track project progress and deadlines. Collaboration. Communicate with team members through comments and at mentions. Share files and documents directly within tasks. Collaborate on projects in real time. Calendar integration. Sync your Asana tasks with your personal or professional calendar. Stay organized and avoid missing deadlines. Mobile app. Access and manage your tasks on the go with the Asana mobile app. Stay productive and connected wherever you are. Additional benefits of free Asana. Intuitive interface. Asana's user-friendly interface makes it easy to learn and use, even for beginners. Customizable workspaces. Create workspaces to organize your projects and tasks based on your preferences. Time tracking. Estimate and track the time spent on tasks to improve efficiency. Integration with other tools. Connect Asana to popular tools like Google Calendar, Dropbox, and Slack to streamline your workflow. Is free Asana enough for you? While the free version of Asana offers a robust set of features, it's important to consider your specific needs and the size of your team. If you're a solopreneur or a small team with basic project management requirements, the free plan might be all you need. However, if you're working on large-scale projects, require advanced features like custom fields, advanced reporting, and integrations with specific tools, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. Asana's free plan is a powerful tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your tasks. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a small business owner, Asana can be a valuable asset in your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.